Good morning, Trumacare. It's Mr Saban here. This week, the assemblies are on the theme of kindness. And today, we're going to be looking at what is kindness. Now, kindness is the quality of being friendly, generous, and considerate. And they are all qualities I see on a daily basis around Trumacare. Now, there are many differences between someone who is kind and someone who is unkind. Being kind can show itself in sharing your things, your efforts and your time, asking people how they feel, giving help when it is needed, smiling at others and showing appreciation, caring for the people around you and the environment. And being unkind is sometimes seen in bullying, laughing at others, not sharing, being selfish, using unkind words, not sharing pride in others' achievements, and not being prepared to help others. Now, why is kindness important? Well, kindness improves our quality of life, whether it's at home, at school, as an adult in the workplace, or every day in the community. And kindness can bring people closer together. You will never hear someone say that they have regretted being kind. And every time we are kind, we are sharing happiness with ourselves and with those around us. Now, there have been many examples of kindness during this pandemic, from people delivering shopping to those that are shielding, from shopkeepers donating food to local food banks, and from the amazing efforts of the NHS staff who have cared for and looked after people over the last few months. And it doesn't matter who we are all capable of great kindness. Now, there are many ways in which we can show kindness this week. We could say please and thank you, share with our families, tidy up after ourselves and after we have used things, offer to help before being asked. We could help make tea, write a letter or make a phone call to a family member or a friend we haven't seen in a while. Take time to listen to the thoughts, ideas and worries of those around us. Or, if we go out, we could make sure that we take our litter home and show kindness to the planet. Now, I want to thank you all for watching my assembly today. I get very nervous doing these, and by watching it, you have shown a great act of kindness. I hope that this week you will feel free to send pictures and examples of the acts of kindness you have been showing this week. Kindness is a very important Trumacare value, and it is one that is not only often appreciated, it is one of the easiest things that we can do and one of the things that has the greatest effect on those people around us. Take care, have a go at showing acts of kindness this week, and be sure to join me for tomorrow's assembly, where I'll be reading a story about great kindness. I want you to take care. Bye-bye.